Miss behind the world ahead, and there are many paths.
Warning, this is just a joke and there are some things in here like going past the speed limit that you should not do. There's also silly things like getting to eat a cookie that jumping and pressing the circle button will not do. This whole thing is a joke, and the only thing that jumping and pressing the circle button will do that is good for you is play on Sly Cooper. I have given you this warning, and please remember it. Enjoy this silly jump and press the circle button slideshow. Jump and press the circle button, a silly slideshow. Jump and press the circle button so you can grow a tree, so you can save a life, so you can eat a cookie, so you can go past the speed limit, so you can ride a bus, so you can buy some junk, so you can build a bridge, so you can sell some tires, so you can drive, so you can see a double rainbow, so you can see a bunny, so you can sing a song with your friends, so you can live in a barn, so you can pet Poland's pony, because he insisted, so you can see a 3D movie, so you can braid your hair, so you can win, so you can have fun, so you can play Sly Cooper. Jump and press the circle button.
To enter the vault code. Jump and hit the circle button. To landeth safely upon diminutive points, leapeth lively and presseth the triggering device with the round geometrical object emblazoned upon it.
So jump and hit the circle button to land on narrow spots.